Hi guys, welcome back. We'll have a look at I'm in Love with You by the 1975. This is the alternate way of playing the song. And the chords which I'm using over here are more likely the chords which are actually used in the actual song. The other version which I made is pretty much the easier version, I'll say, which goes pretty fine with it. But this is the actual way of playing the chord shapes, I think, which it's actually done in the studio. So let's dive into the song. Like, we have two parts to learn. This breakdown part, then we have the main progression which I played for the demonstration. So let's have a look at what we did. Basically, I played a G major chord and I'm playing it like this. I'm having D9, G7, B8, and my index finger is kind of bowed on the 7th fret of the B string. So we do a fake strum at the beginning like this, more of like a slap. Then I go for an upstroke. Then I remove my middle finger and do one down stroke. So that's the first phrase we have. And now with this shape which I have over here, without the middle finger, I'll do one down stroke. So when I go to the A major chord, I have 5 on B, 6 on G, 7 on D. When I go for an upstroke, then I hit B7. So we have now the down up which I did on the A major chord. You can simply go for one down, or you can just let it go for a down up. It's up to you. So we have mute, up, down, mute, up, down, up. Then you go to the final chord, which is basically way of playing the A major chord, I'll say. I have like a D major chord, I'm sorry. I'm playing 2nd fret on G, 3rd fret on B, 4th fret on the D. So I went mute, up, down, mute, up, down, up, down, up, down. So on the last chord I went for down, up, down. So we have, see that? That's it. And now for the breakdown part, we have a E minor 7 chord, bar the whole 7th fret, 8th fret on B, D string 9th fret. So we have down, up slap, down, up slap. F sharp minor, same thing, 2 frets up, down, up slap, down, up slap. Now I'm not actually playing a bar chord over here. I just play A10, D12, B12. I go for down, up mute, down, up mute. Then I go to A5, D7, B7. It's actually a D major chord. So we got E minor, F sharp minor, G and D major. So we have down, up slap, down, up slap, down, up slap, down, up slap, down, up slap. So you can play the full chord if you want. And then you have that's the whole song, guys. I hope the video helps you out. Let me know what other song you want to learn. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Bye.